The M113 armored personnel carrier became the hallmark of the American defense industry in the 20th century. World War II and the Korean War provided ample opportunities to gain experience with armored transport vehicles, and soon the FMC Corporation created a true miracle of mass production, which was reliable, relatively inexpensive, and simple to service. Aluminum armor allowed the engineers to meet the requirements for mass and protection levels. Thanks to its reliable design, the M113 could do much more than carry troops. It also became a platform for a large number of armaments, from autocannons to missile launchers. Engineers built the M113 with maximum versatility in mind, and that approach proved to be right. Since the APC became a true production hit, the military greenlit many other vehicles built on its platform. It started with simple mortars and eventually led to an SPAAG. The FMC equipped the M113 chassis with a 6-barreled M168 cannon, a modified version of an autocannon that was widely used at the time. Thanks to its rotary design, the gun boasted a high rate of fire. The resulting SPAAG was designated the M163 VADS, where the acronym stands for Vulcan Air Defense System. Its primary mission was close-range air defense, reinforcing the longer-range Chaparral missile system, which also used the M113 chassis. To reduce its cost, the M163 received no robust radar and had to make do with a radar rangefinder. The vehicle took part in the Vietnam War and was soon discovered to have inferior performance. The issue was wider than a single model, though. It was the entire concept that could be improved. On the one hand, a roomy hull was perfect for storing ammo, and the tracked chassis had great off-road capabilities. On the other hand, the Vulcan had inferior range, lacked a robust all-weather radar, and showed poor reaction speed. The military soon ordered the development of a new anti-air vehicle. Only that time, it was going to use a tank platform. Since the M113's chassis produced no complaints, it was reused again in another machine. The next project was the M901 anti-tank missile carrier. The idea behind this machine was to create a light, mobile missile platform that would protect its crew against small arms fire and shrapnel. The system also received a special periscope and a unique turret mechanism. Its main armament was the TOW anti-tank missile, which was pretty powerful for the 1970s and could damage any MBT available at the time. In the 1980s, the M113's career reached a major milestone. It became one of the most widespread platforms for various weapon systems. For instance, Italian engineers used it for the CEDAM-25, an anti-air vehicle armed with 4 25mm Earlycon cannons. Canada used the M113 to create ADATS, a system armed with versatile missiles against aircraft and ground vehicles. The legendary Armored Box proved to be a highly reliable and effective combat vehicle. Though born in the 1960s, its various modifications remain in service even today.